Ano nga ba magkaroon ng free toothbrush, buy one take one, at free shipping? Kaya naman if gusto mong malaman kung paano, tapusin ang video at mag-subscribe ka na sa aking channel! Hi sweethearts! It's lovely! Welcome back to my channel! At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, don't forget to click subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para laging updated. And of course, for today's video, paano nga ba tayo magkakaroon ng free toothbrush? Buy one, take one. As in free! Free shipping! Wala kang babayaran as in zero! Kaya naman, if gusto mong malaman, tapusin ang video. So, tara na! Let's start! So, hi guys! Ito na nga ang ating free toothbrush, buy one, take one, antibacterial toothbrush. Kaya naman, I'm so excited guys to share this to you. Ayan. So, but before that, bubuksan muna natin to. Kaya naman, let's do this. As in ha, wala talaga. So, zero. Ayan, 0, 0, 0. Ay, tingnan nyo pa siya dyan. 0 po, wala. This is a free sample only. Ayan. Sample guys. So, makakakuha ka ng free sample pag ikaw ay TikTok affiliate. Yes, this is a first of being a TikTok affiliate. O, diba? Ayan. Ang super balot na balot. Ayun na, so excited. Grabe. Ay, dami nito. Ayan. Ayan guys, so this is from New Everyday Shop sa TikTok. Ayan, New Everyday. Thank you so much. Ayan guys, pakita ko lang ha. Ganyan siya guys, yung ating toothbrush. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan, so 12 pieces na toothbrush. So ayan guys, paano nga ba magkaroon ng free toothbrush? 12 pieces. Ayan. Nang libre, no shipping fee, as in free at all cost. Ayan, o diba? Ang ganda, super. Wow, this is super, ayan, tipid na tipid talaga guys, grabe. Super duper, ayan, as in zero talaga yung binayaran ko dito. Tsaka, magkano lang to? Ayan, i-flash ko ha kung gusto nyong bumili. Pero sa mga gustong magkaroon ng free samples, just like mine, ayan, kailangan mong maging TikTok affiliate, tapos request ka lang ng request. Ayan, kung ikaw ay may 1,000 subscribers pataas, pwede ka na po mag-apply as a TikTok affiliate at mag-request ng mga products as in for free na pwede mong i-promote sa TikTok at saka sa ibang platforms, social media platforms. So very happy! Thank you so much! New Everyday Shop from TikTok Shop. Oh, wow! Sulit na sulit talaga guys. Grabe! Smile ka naman dyan! Ayan, thank you. Ay, bongga! 12 pieces, guys. Ayan, guys. Mag 1 year supply tayo ng toothbrush. Di ba, bongga delicious. So, ayan. Bubuksan natin to guys. Ayan, bukuha na tayo ng sample dito. Ayan. Ayan, wait lang. Bukuha tayo ng sample. Ayan, dito. Ay, may ano. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Tignan niyo naman, oh. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Ang ganda pala ng ano niya, guys, oh. Tapos, ayan. Slim din siya, guys. Ayan. O, di ba bongga? Uy, thanks! I'm so excited to try this one. Bongga niya, grabe. So, ngayon guys, pupunta tayo sa ating marketplace kung saan doon tayo mag-add ng mga products na gusto nating i-promote at yung gusto nating makuha or free sample. So, tara! Okay. Go. Ayan, click mo yung tatlong dots or tatlong linya pala rather. Click Creator Tools and then go to TikTok Shop for Creator. Pagkatapos, i-click natin yung Product Marketplace. Okay? Click Product Marketplace and then dito guys, makikita nyo lahat ng products as in dito sa TikTok. Lahat po as in. At saka makikita nyo kung magkano yung commission nyo per item. Kung kunwari itong ano guys, makikita mo yung kanyang sold items, yung mga description ng product, ayan, na kailangan mong malaman sa pag-promote. So, ayan, pili ka lang kung anong gusto mo. And then, i-click mo, kung gusto mo ng sample, guys, ito ha. Ayan, click mo lang yan. And then, click mo yung free sample. Ayan. Click mo kung anong kulay yung gusto mo, kung anong sizes, ayan. Kunwari, gusto mo ng sapatos, or gusto mo ng tsinelas, gusto mo ng damit, ayan, lahat. Ayan, just don't forget, i-click mo yung add to showcase guys ha. Ayan, add to showcase muna yung item. Ayan, pagkatapos mo mag-add to showcase, pwede ka nang mag-request ng free sample. Ayan, at saka guys ha, sa pag-request ng free sample guys, ayan, you have to wait at least 7 days para ma-approve ni seller. So, once approved ka na guys, ayan, wait ka lang ng ilang days para ma-ship ni seller to your address. Ayan. So, make sure tama po yung address mo. And then, pagkarating ng items mo, ayan na, don't forget na mag-unboxing video ka. Ayan, tapos gumawa ka ng maraming contents of it para yun yung ipopost mo sa social media platforms at saka dito sa TikTok shop. Okay? Sa TikTok account mo. Ayan guys, so, right now, thank you so much from New Everyday Shop. Ayan, sa pag-approve at saka pag-send ng buy one, take one toothbrush. Ayan, super thank you so much talaga. As in, ay wala kang kailangan gawin, wala kang kailangan ipalabas na pera, kundi sige ka lang nang mag-post ng content at saka kailangan mo ding mag-request ng mga items. Request na request ka lang hanggang may mag-approve sa'yo. Ayun, ganun lang talaga. At saka post ka ng contents sa TikTok mo or sa TikTok account at saka sa ibang platforms din. Ayan. So guys, thank you so much. Ayan, that's it. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating product review and of course, yung ating tips kung paano nga ba makakuha ng free sample or free product from TikTok. Ayan, thank you. And we'll see you on my next video. Huwag kalimutan mag-share, like, and comment para mabigyan ng surprises. Ayan. And of course, don't forget to follow my Facebook page. It's Real Lovely Cabrera dahil dun natin ipopost yung mga content din natin. Of course, guys, yung mga yung mga mini vlogs andun din. So, don't forget to share, like, and comment. Ayan, thank you so much dahil mamimili po ako sa inyo kung sino ang ating mabibigyan ng surprises. So, see you po sa ating susunod na video. Thank you so much once again. This is Lovely and see ya! Ciao! Bye! Bye, Chan!